Hi, in front of me I have Sony Xperia XZ Premium, and I'm gonna show you how to add and remove the Google account on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, tap on Apps, right here, then tap Settings icon to open the settings. Once in Settings, let's scroll down and select Accounts. Here let's tap on Add Account. Select Google. Now we need to log in into our Google account, so let's tap right here. Enter the email address. Then tap Next to continue. Now we need to enter the password, so give me a few seconds. Once you're done entering the password, tap Next. Here tap on I agree. Now you can scroll down and tap Accept. And as you can see, the account was added. To remove the account, we just need to tap on it right here. Then select Remove Account and tap Remove Account to confirm. And tap OK to confirm. Now we need to confirm our pattern if we have one. As you can see, the account was removed. And that's how you add and remove the Google account on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.